Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 16th of October 2014 market review. The trade for the day is called Discovery. The code is DSY and the last traded price was 91 Rand 70 on the blue line here. The action is going to be to go long and the last traded price was 91.70. Now take note of the entry price at 92.75 on the dotted blue line here. If broken up, you could go to a target of 99 Rand and 50 cents from the blue to the green. Stop loss to be used is 90 Rand 50 cents. Still the open trades is called SPAR, African Rainbow Minerals and First Rand. Trades that was kicked out on stop losses or profit levels were Steinhoff, and it was kicked out yesterday on the 15th of October on a profit of 3.43%. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, this is the best top 40 shares. The blue line is the index movement. Still in a downward spiral or channel, and it's currently trading underneath the 5-day moving average as well as the 20-day moving average, showing a lot of downside to you here. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, that is the US markets. I'm going to zoom in. It's important what we're going to do right now, just to look at the chart. On Wednesday evening, they closed 173 points negative on a level of 16,141 points. If you look at that, you are looking close to this levels here, plus minus this levels here. At a stage, they were almost 450 points negative as well. And that was a big concern of the sell-off, Ebola, market and macro information that came through. And there was a big sell-off, and suddenly the future traders determined that the Feds can now look at a market, the Feds raising interest rates in 2016 now. Now, looking at this channel, at this moment, as we've just mentioned, is close to this level here after it lost almost 173 points. Channel is still going down, and we need to see now today the futures are currently about 55 points positive as we speak for late afternoon to open at 3:30. And very important data to follow will be these job figures. Looking at the J200, almost had 1,000 points downward movement yesterday afternoon due to all this news coming out. Broke my 61.8% on my Fibonacci's, and this part here actually came almost 400 points much lower after close at 5 o'clock. That last half an hour of the market almost came down another 400 points, starting to recover again. The expectation is that European futures are currently a bit positive. We could see a bit of positiveness after the Asian markets followed the lead of the US markets last night. So we could most probably see a bit of a small recovery in early trade today, but you need to look at and watch it closely where it could go towards. Looking at some of your retailer shares, definitely still in trading between the purple and the green line downwards. Formed new lows for the last 2 years on the specific share ShopRite. Mr. Price broke this downward channel further downwards to the previous low of 100% here of 194.69, currently trading at 195.90. So there was a big sell-off yesterday. Looking at your Woolies shares. Now, the Woolworths still testing this lows here, close to the 67 levels. Currently trading 67.74. We need to see if there's going to be a bit of a recovering after yesterday's sell-off. Looking at your MTNs, came down but not a lot. Still got a lot of support here, 233.45, currently trading 234.98. Vodacom did test this and break this 61.8% for me on a level of 124.55, currently trading at 122.97. Let's go into the banking shares. Barclays Bank tested this middle Bollinger Band for a bit of a breakup, still in the sideways channel. Now here's a bit of support here, and there's a bit of resistance. This is the highs, this is the lows. At any time for break these lows here, and that low levels could be approximately about 154. Next low could definitely be back here to the 150s. But the high to be tested at this current moment's average high is about 157. So the share's got a trading range between 154 and 157, and currently trading at 155. Standard Bank got a big hiding yesterday due to this market breakdown. Broke my 61.8% on 127.44. Currently trading at 125.43. Still trading between the channels downwards. Need to see if there's some recovery could happen. IPL. Now it had a nice 2-day movement upwards. Lost a lot of value here to 181. Currently back to at 176.50. Now we need to confirm here, could this be a start of a low and then a breakup again? I will wait for this specific share on the high of 181 if you want to see higher movements. So there's still a lot of volatility due. US futures are normally positive in the morning, and late afternoon they're starting to turn negative. Keep your eyes on the FTSE 100 as well as on the US Dow futures. S&P 500, a lot of companies are releasing data today, so there could be a bit of effect there, and that will start you close to 250 that the data will come through to the markets. Enjoy your trading.